I'm gonna preface everything by we've had more murderous hornets again. So if you hear me scream a loud scream, that would be why. Let's just go ahead. We're gonna dive right into the project. All right, so we're gonna use these wood rounds. I really like these. It's Arteza and they have different sizes. This is the medium. You get 25 wood slices and I think it's like 20 bucks. I think, so they're less than $1 a piece. I do have a promo code. I get a little something something if you order these for me. Not a lot though, guys. We're gonna do coasters, a set of 4. We're gonna use this stinking cute stencil. We're gonna use the Bungalow 47 paints. And yeah, after everything's all done, I'll spray them with this and it will make them usable by the children. I'm gonna cut this stencil up. I don't have little lines, so I'm just gonna cut it up. I'm gonna do that first and then I'll paint my rounds. You know what, guys? My clawfoot tub is getting low. I'm just painting. I'm gonna do one of each of these colors here. This is the clawfoot tub. So I think that's enough. I think I painted that enough. I keep thinking I'm hearing hornets, guys.
Oh, because there's a hornet over there on the window.
Is there really?
There is, yeah.
Oh, it just came off the window. Murderous hornet!
Wait, where is it? It's on the ceiling.
Oh, no.
Is it on the ceiling? I don't know where it is. Oh, no, never mind. It's over here.
Oh,
I got it.
Oh, no.
Could you
She's
close
taking
that,
out. Can you close that? Thank you, sweetheart. See? I'm liking that orange. So, oh, in case you guys want to know, terracotta tile is the orange, clawfoot tub is the white that we use so far, but the topiary is what we're going to use next. This is a really pretty green. So I'm going to dry these and then we're going to use the Bungalow 47 paint through the IKONART stencils. I think we're dry enough even though it looks a little discolored. We're gonna use the pumpkin and the mummy and the Frankenstein and the boo. The boo. The little scary face. I'm gonna write back on these. I'm going to do the pumpkin and the mummy black. And then I'll do the other 2 in white. I wanna do this first really quickly. We're gonna lightly sand these. So I'm going to put these, oh, it's gonna be so cute, guys. Can you see that through there? These are gonna be black. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? So cute. I like them. I think they're adorable. All right, so we're gonna do these 2 in the whites. I love it. What do you guys think? Are they spooky? I think they're cute. So aren't they adorable? They're so cute. I love them. It was fun. Aren't they so cute? Look, it's so cute. So you all have a blessed one. Thanks again for watching. Bye now. Everybody say bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.